Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rosemary and in this video I'll be showing you how to plait these beautiful crisscross cornrows. I will be using hot water braids. This is color 2 and the plaiting pudding. We will start by parting or sectioning 7 lines in total, 3 on the sides and 1 in the middle. While we are sectioning, we want to make sure that all the 7 cornrows fit at the back. So it is important to decrease the thickness of your line. We also want to make sure that we have equal lines which are also straight. While I continue to do that, please subscribe and comment and give me a thumbs up. Please also let me know what you would like to see in the next videos. I will then go ahead and apply the hair pudding. So applying the hair pudding helps with creating a cleaner desired look and softens the hair, making it easier to braid. To start braiding your lemonade braids or cornrows or carrot braids, you'll need to separate some small frontal hair and then you use a very small hairpiece, then rotate it once to avoid a big knot, just like how I'm doing right there, and then you start braiding. So here you can braid 2 times or 3 times. And here another thing is you can use any method that you are used to when you are braiding your box braids. So the main aim is just to have 3 strands, and then you go ahead and separate the 2 strands to both sides of your cornrow line, then leave one in the middle. Take another small hairpiece and feed it in, then braid once, add the 3rd one and braid once, add the 4th one, and so on. While you are doing that, you will gradually increase the size of the hairpiece and continue feeding in until you reach your desired size. So the middle hairpiece there will be combined with the hair while you are busy switching the strands away and towards you. Then you continue adding and then take the middle strand, mix it with some hair. Do not take a lot of hair because that will affect the neatness of your cornrow. So as you can see there, you just take the natural hair wherever you are and then you continue braiding your cornrow. So to make the cornrow strong while braiding, you will slightly pull the hairpiece and the natural hair while braiding, also making sure that you do not pull the hair in front to avoid hair loss. When you are done fitting in the hairpiece and you are satisfied with the thickness, you will then continue to braid with the existing hairpiece and the real hair until the back. Moving to the second line, you are going to separate the hair where you want the crisscross to be, and make sure that it's straight and neat, so that because it's going to show when you are done plaiting. After preparing the cornrow line, you will take some frontal hair and braid normal braid twice or 3 times, not forgetting to avoid the front knot. If you use this method, then please just rotate once instead of twice, and that will also save your hairline as well. After braiding twice or 3 times, you are going to take the 2 strands to the sides of the hair in that line and leave the middle strand to join the middle hair. You will then continue adding some hairpiece while increasing the amount you feed in until it's the same size as the first line. While braiding, you also want to make sure that your hair does not stick out, because that will affect the final look. To avoid that, you're going to hide the real hair with the hairpiece as far as possible. So in this case, luckily she has relaxed hair and the hair is not that short. So if she did, I would have to ensure that the natural hair is hidden or short hair by the hairpiece to create a cleaner look, and the hairstyle will last longer if you have a cleaner final look. You will continue to add some hairpiece until you're satisfied with the braid or cornrow size, and then you move to the next line after reaching that halfway point. After completing the half of the second line, you're going to separate the third line just like on the second line, making sure that the second line and the third line are aligned. Repeat the same method, taking some frontal hair and using a very small hairpiece to start the cornrow. Plait using the 3 strands technique twice or thrice, then start feeding in more hairpiece. While doing that, do not forget to make sure that the natural hair is hidden all the time, so that the hairstyle will last you longer. And this will depend on the type of hair you are plaiting, either by size or thickness, yeah, something like that. So it's better to make sure that your final look is always clean. The same method was repeated on the other side. When you are done braiding the half of the third line, you are going to take the third line and cross over to the second line, making sure that you maintain the same quality of the cornrows you've started. And the same with the second line, it will be crossed over to the third line. As you can see here, I'm going to continue to add some more hairpiece, meaning that I have not reached the desired size of my cornrows. So you can add hairpiece whenever you like, but if you're going to add in the middle, just make sure that it's not going to show in the middle, because the fit in is supposed to be in the front in this case. And guys, please don't forget to tell me on the comment box what you think about the hairstyle. If you think it's simple enough, if it's not, then I think I'd have to create a more detailed tutorial on this cornrows hairstyle so that you are not left out. So this hairstyle can take you about maybe 2 to 3 hours depending on how fast you are. So the faster you are, the faster you're going to finish. And this is how our crisscross will look like, even on the other side. This is how the hairstyle look like, and apologies guys with the bad lighting. Here you can also try to style these cornrows in 2 lower bands. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, comment and share. And not forgetting recommending the hairstyles that you would like to see in the next videos. Please comment below and let me know. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye.